What if the universe has been sending us messages for billions of years, and we're only now learning to read them? Every single second, trillions of invisible particles are streaming through your body right now. They're called cosmic rays, and they're one of the universe's greatest mysteries. Cosmic rays aren't actually rays at all. They're high-energy particles, mostly protons, that travel through space at nearly the speed of light. Some carry more energy than a professional baseball pitcher's fastball. These particles have journeyed across unimaginable distances, like millions of years, carrying violent events in our universe. Here's where it gets fascinating. Scientists discovered something unexpected about these cosmic messengers. They don't arrive uniformly from all directions. There's a pattern, an unevenness in how they flow toward Earth. This phenomenon is called cosmic ray anisotropy. Think of it like wind that blows stronger from certain directions. The cosmic rays show a preferred direction, a fingerprint of something happening on a galactic scale. This discovery changes everything we thought we knew about our cosmic neighborhood. For decades, scientists assumed cosmic rays scattered randomly as they traveled through magnetic fields in space. But the anisotropy tells us there's structure, organization, perhaps even sources we haven't identified yet. It's like finding footprints in fresh snow when you thought you were alone. The telescope array in Utah and the Pierre Auger Observatory in Argentina have been watching these particles for years. In 2017, researchers identified a hotspot in the northern sky where more high-energy cosmic rays originate. This region is about 30 degrees across, roughly 60 times the width of the full moon. Something in that direction is accelerating particles to incredible energies and firing them across the cosmos. But here's the mystery. When scientists look at that region with optical telescopes, radio telescopes, and X-ray detectors, they can't find an obvious source. No supermassive black hole, no exploding star, no pulsar powerful enough to explain what they're detecting. It's as if the universe is playing hide and seek with us. Now, imagine experiencing these cosmic phenomena without modern science to explain them. 39,000 years ago, long before written language, humans looked up at the same sky we see today. They witnessed auroras dancing across the heavens, meteors streaking through darkness, and occasional lights they couldn't explain. They had no concept of particles or magnetic fields or interstellar space. Ancient cultures across the world developed stories to make sense of celestial mysteries. the Sumerians spoke of the Anunnaki, beings who descended from the heavens. The Babylonians described the Igigi, watchers who never slept. Hebrew texts mentioned the Grigori, observers who moved between worlds. Egyptian hieroglyphs depicted beings of pure light descending from the stars. These weren't just random myths. They represent humanity's first attempts at cosmology, at understanding our place in a vast and mysterious universe. When ancient people saw unexplained lights in the sky, brilliant auroras, or strange atmospheric phenomena, they created frameworks to understand them. They imagined guardians, messengers, beings made of something other than flesh and bone. The description of these watchers is remarkably consistent across cultures. They were often described as luminous, radiant, sometimes shapeless. Not solid matter, but something more like energy or light. They moved without walking, existed without breathing, and seemed to observe rather than interact. In a way, ancient peoples were describing something that behaves very much like the particles we now call cosmic rays. Consider this perspective. Cosmic rays are indeed ancient travelers. Some have been journeying through space for millions of years, witnessing the birth and death of stars. They carry information from the farthest reaches of our galaxy and beyond. They pass through everything, observing in their own way, never stopping, never resting. They are, in a poetic sense, eternal watchers. The magnetic fields that guide these particles create invisible structures throughout our galaxy. These fields stretch across light years, forming pathways and barriers that shape how cosmic rays flow. Ancient peoples couldn't see these fields, but they might have witnessed their effects. Strong solar storms can create spectacular auroras, painting the sky with colors rarely seen. Unusual atmospheric conditions can produce strange lights and phenomena. Modern research has revealed that Earth's magnetic field has flipped many times throughout history. During these reversals, our planet's magnetic protection weakens significantly. More cosmic rays reach the surface, and auroras appear at unusual latitudes. If such an event occurred during human prehistory, people would have witnessed sky phenomena unlike anything in their normal experience. Imagine seeing brilliant lights dancing across the sky night after night, in places they'd never appeared before. Some researchers have proposed that major cosmic ray events might have influenced human evolution and culture. A nearby supernova explosion tens of thousands of years ago could have bathed Earth in increased radiation. The resulting auroras and atmospheric effects would have been visible for months or even years. Such an event might have sparked new myths, new religions, new ways of understanding the cosmos. The connection between cosmic rays and Earth's climate is another frontier of research. These particles influence cloud formation in our atmosphere. When cosmic ray flux increases, it can affect weather patterns globally. Ancient peoples certainly noticed unusual weather, unusual sky colors, unusual atmospheric conditions. They wove these observations into their stories of celestial beings and cosmic guardians. Today's cosmic ray detectors are like modern temples to these ancient mysteries. The Pierre Auger Observatory covers 3,000 square kilometers with over 1,600 detection stations. When an ultra-high energy cosmic ray strikes Earth's atmosphere, it creates a cascade of billions of secondary particles. This shower spreads across kilometers, and the observatory's sensors catch its fingerprint, the highest energy cosmic ray ever detected hit Earth in 1991. Scientists nicknamed it the "Oh my God" particle. It carried 300 million trillion electron volts of energy. That's roughly the kinetic energy of a baseball traveling at 60 miles per hour, concentrated in a single subatomic particle. Nothing we know in our galaxy should be able to accelerate particles to such extremes. This brings us back to anisotropy. The pattern in cosmic ray arrival directions suggests sources beyond our galaxy. Perhaps they come from the supermassive black holes at the centers of distant galaxies. Perhaps they're accelerated in the shock waves of galaxy collisions. Perhaps they originate from cosmic structures we haven't even imagined yet. The universe speaks to us in many languages. Ancient peoples listened with mythology and meaning. Modern science listens with detectors and mathematics. Both approaches seek the same thing: understanding. The watchers of old weren't supernatural beings, but humanity's poetic interpretation of real cosmic phenomena. The cosmic rays we study today are the scientific reality behind those ancient stories. Every particle that passes through you right now has a story. It might have been born in a supernova explosion millions of light years away. It might have traveled for eons through the magnetic fields of our galaxy. It might carry information about cosmic events we've never witnessed. We are constantly bathed in messages from the universe, written in a language we're only beginning to understand. So what mysteries do these cosmic messengers still hold? What will we discover when we finally decode their anisotropy completely? the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than our ancestors imagined. And yet, their sense of wonder and mystery was absolutely justified. We are watched, not by supernatural beings, but by the universe itself, constantly sending us evidence of its magnificent, violent, beautiful nature. What other secrets are streaming through us right now, waiting for us to develop the eyes to see them?